like parcels, trying to get the pipe network parts to be named the correct thing as we're creating them just never seems to work. So having a tool that can quickly rename the parts is I found very useful. And then what I do is I'll do the design, and then as I near the end of the design, as I'm ready to plot, I know I'm not adding any additional structures or pipes. And that's when I'm going to go through and I'm going to use this tool to rename the network parts and adjust them to what I want. So we see here in the drawing you have the outlet A5, then A6, A3, A4, and then A8. I added that later in 10 and 11, and just a little bit out of sync. We're not even in sequential order, and this happens. So what we want to do is rename these. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a brand new statement here. I'm going to say I want it to be A, and then I'm going to give it a brand new number. And I'm not going to do the pipes just so that we can quickly see the samples, but whatever we do with structures we can do with pipes as well. I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and then it asks us to select the parts in sequential order, and it's going to walk through, and now A5 will become, as you see here, A1. And then A6 will become A2, and A3 will stay A3, A4, and the like. So when I press enter, you'll see that these all adjusted. So you can create a brand new statement, or what we can do is, well, I didn't mean it to be A, I wanted it to be actually the B line, so we can take the A and replace it with B. And we can start now with B5 and increment by 1. I worked with one company, and what they liked is all the structures to be odd numbers, so we could increment by 2 if we wanted to. But the numbers are actually okay. A1, A2, A3. We just want to change the A to a B. So I'm going to uncheck and say don't include the number with this change, and click OK. And so we'll go A1 is now B1 instead of B5, and B6 and so forth. A2 becomes B2 and the like. Or maybe you want to add a prefix. So we'll come up here and we'll say I just want to add a prefix. So the prefix I want to add is ST, and this is a storm system, so I'm going to add that prefix of ST, and we'll come back down here and set these, but really doesn't make a difference because I'm just adding a prefix. Go ahead and click OK, and B1 now becomes ST dash or hyphen B1, B2 becomes ST, and so forth. So a lot of different tools to be able to rename the pipe networks parts. In a very quick and easy succession. You just walk through in the process that you want. You can choose whether you're even changing the number or you're leaving the number alone. Very powerful tool for renaming.